everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is Hing Murg or Asafoetida chicken. It is a very delicious and flavorful recipe. It is easy to make and perfect for weekday lunch or weeknight dinner. So let's get started with the preparation.
Let's check the ingredients to make Hing Murg or Asafoetida chicken or Hing chicken. Washed and cleaned chicken pieces 500 grams, mustard oil 3 tablespoons, chopped tomato 1 cup, salt half tablespoon, sugar 1/4 teaspoon, asafoetida or hing 1/8 teaspoon, bay leaf or tej patta 2 pieces, green chili 3 pieces, ginger paste 1 tablespoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, red chili powder 1 teaspoon, jeera or cumin seed half teaspoon, turmeric or haldi powder 1 teaspoon. To cook the chicken, heat a pan over medium-high heat and add mustard oil. Spread the oil around the pan and add bay leaf or tej patta, whole cumin seed or jeera, asafoetida or hing. Let them splutter for few seconds. Now add ginger paste and mix well. Then add in the green chilies and the dry spices, that is coriander powder, red chili powder and turmeric powder. Saute them well for few minutes. Now add in the chicken pieces and chopped tomatoes. Mix them very well. The ingredient that gives this dish its characteristic aroma is the asafoetida or hing in Bengali. Just like other Indian spices, hing has its fair share of medicinal properties. After a good mix, cover and cook for 12 to 15 minutes. Keep stirring in between. After 15 minutes, remove the lid, stir the chicken and add half tablespoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon sugar. Mix them well and cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. This chicken recipe is perfect for a stressful weeknight dinner and make enough so that you can have leftover for lunch. I promise you will never get sick of chicken again. When oil starts releasing, add 1 cup water. This is a quick and simple dish but full of flavor. My husband's and daughter's favorite and now mine too. Again, cover and cook till the chicken pieces become soft. Now, time to check. Turn off the heat when the desired consistency is achieved. Drizzle half teaspoon mustard oil. It is optional. Cover and give the recipe 5 to 10 minutes standing time. Enjoy Hing Murg with steamed rice or roti. Share your feedback about this recipe with me in comment section below. You can also follow or message me on Instagram where I share even more recipes and pretty pictures. I have shared the link in description below. Dear friends, if you enjoy the recipe, give it a like, share, comment and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Till then, bye. Take care.